In this video, I will show you how to make a playlist on TikTok. First of all, after you open your phone, all you have to do now, tap on this plus icon to upload your video. So I'll just go now and upload my video. After you come to this section, now search for the video that you want to upload. So for me, I'll just go with this video. After you select your video like this, tap on this next button. So after you tap on this next button, now tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this next again. So if you come to this section, all you have to do now tap on your video to select your cover. So I'll just go with this one, or add a title to a video. After you finish selecting the cover of your video, tap on this save button. So now tap on this section to add your description and hashtag. I'll just type playlist, and hashtag I'll just type TikTok playlist. So after you finish typing TikTok play, as you can see now, I add my hashtag. So now if you scroll all the way to down and tap on this where it says more option, this one. So scroll to down and tap on this section. As you can see now, scroll to down, tap on this where it says add to playlist. So as you can see now, tap on this where it says add to playlist. Just tap on this section where it says add to playlist. So as you can see now, I already have a playlist, so I'll just tap on this section to add new playlist. So now type in your playlist name. I'll just type playlist. So here is it. So tap on this done button. So as you can see now, I added the playlist. As you can see, it says create playlist created. So as you can see, tap on the playlist again. So as you can see now, I selected the playlist. So tap on this cancel icon. So now you can go ahead and post your video. You now add your video to the playlist that you want to add. So after your video has been posted, now tap on your profile. After you come to your profile, as you can see now, if you want to see the playlist, as you can see now, here is the playlist that I just added. Tap on it. So as you can see now, here is the video that I just added. That's it guys on how to add playlists on TikTok. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.